In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Notion app on your MacBook. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks, projects, and notes, and having it on your MacBook can enhance your productivity by quite a lot. So, let's dive straight in. The whole process begins by opening up your browser. Now, I recommend Google Chrome, but honestly, any modern browser should do just fine. Once you have your browser up and running, head over to Google. Our first goal here is to find the correct download page for the Notion app specifically designed for Mac. In the search bar, you're going to type in Notion app Macbook. By doing this, you're ensuring that you get the most relevant and up-to-date links related to Notion on macOS. Once you've got your search results up, what you're looking for is the link that states Notion desktop app for Mac and Windows. It's generally one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link. Doing so will lead you to the official Notion website, where they provide the download options for the desktop versions of the app. This is where you can find both Mac and Windows download options. Now that you're on the right page, you'll see download options tailored for different Mac systems, such as Apple Silicon, macOS Universal, or Intel-based Mac. You'll need to select the correct version for your machine. If you're unsure which one applies to your MacBook, a quick search can help determine whether your machine runs on Apple Silicon, is Intel-based, or requires a universal version. Click on the appropriate download link and the download will start automatically. Once the download has finished, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the Notion installer file. Double-click to open it, and a prompt is likely going to appear asking if you're sure you want to open it, since it's an app downloaded from the internet. This is standard, and you should click Open. Now the system might ask you to move the Notion app into your Applications folder. Doing this helps keep all your software organized and ensures the Notion app runs smoothly from your applications ensconced amongst your other software. And there you have it. Notion is now installed on your MacBook. Open it up, and if you're new, you might need to create an account or log in if you already have one. And with those few steps, you're ready to tackle projects and organize your thoughts right from your Mac. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you get a lot out of using Notion on your MacBook. Feel free to explore all that Notion has to offer. It's truly a powerhouse for productivity and organization. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.